Hi, I'm Nancy Brusegaard Johnson, Senior Vice President of Human Resources and Operations at the Cooperative of American Physicians. I'm going to talk to you about legal and illegal interview questions. Why is that important? Well, for obvious reasons, you don't want to ask any illegal questions. You don't want a candidate leaving your office and going to the Department of Labor saying, "You've asked illegal questions and now they're going to sue you." Stay away from that and focus on what state and federal laws suggest you can and cannot ask. All questions on an application or during an interview must be job related. Questions regarding race, color, religion, age, gender, nationality, health and physical abilities, and marital and family status are all areas where caution must be used during the interview process. For example, asking a candidate, "What religion do you practice?" would be illegal. Instead, the legal question would be, "What days are you available to work?" What seems like an innocent question, "Do you belong to a club or organization?" is in fact illegal. Responses to this question may provide an employer with religious, nationality, or other non-job related information, which is illegal. Instead ask, "Are you a member of a professional trade group or organization relevant to our industry?" Based on statistics from the Equal Employment Opportunity Commission, age discrimination claims have increased, making it all the more important to use caution regarding questions related to age. For example, don't ask a candidate their age, year they were born, their birthday, or graduation dates from high school or college. All you need to know is if they were over 18 and eligible to work in the United States. In addition to religion and age, it's important to be mindful of gender bias. It's common to have women working in medical practices. However, don't rule out a male doing the same job as a woman, such as a medical assistant, nurse, or receptionist. Questions such as, "What do you have to offer our company?" or "Tell me about your experience managing teams," are gender neutral and legal. Let's move on to questions regarding health and physical abilities. If the job you're filling has requirements regarding height, lifting, standing for long periods, or sitting for long periods, this information should be included in a position description. These physical requirements can be described to a candidate, and then you may ask if they are able to perform the duties and functions of the job with or without reasonable accommodations. Let's move on to marital and family status issues. It can be frustrating if you hire a female employee and weeks later she informs you she is pregnant because you know that employee will be taking some type of medical leave. Even though you want to know how hiring an employee may impact your practice, you cannot ask if someone has children, if they are planning on having children, or if they have appropriate child care. You can ask if they are available to work overtime or to travel. You may also ask about long-term career goals. Now that we have finished looking at sample legal and illegal interview questions, let me give you a few points on how to keep your questions legal. Preparing questions before your interview will help you stay on track and ask the appropriate job-related inquiries. If an applicant tells you about their personal life, their age, marital status, etc., change the subject and move on to another topic. Finally, if you do learn about someone's national origin, race, age, marital family status, disability status, or transgender status, do not use that information when making your final hiring decision. Let's review legal and illegal interview questions. All questions on an application or in an interview must be job-related. Questions regarding race, color, religion, age, gender, nationality, health and physical abilities, and marital and family status are all areas where caution must be used during the interview process. If you're a CAP member, you can call me, Nancy Brusegaard Johnson, to discuss legal and illegal interview questions. I can also provide you with an entire list of questions for reference.